Hello, students. Good morning. Welcome back again. Now I am here with your English prime book. Today we'll start new chapter, chapter number 2. This chapter is a poem and name of the poem is My Dear Mama. This poem has been adapted from the This poem has been adapted from Dear Mama, written by Lucy Larcombe. Now let's start the poem. Open your eyes, Mama. Day will soon begin. Open your eyes, Mama. I want to look in. Yesterday, dear Mama, out of your eyes peeped two little boys, just my size. Where are they now? Who can they be? Do you love those boys as you love me? Now, after reading the poem, we come to know that this poem is a conversation between mother and her little child. Now, let me explain the poem. Open your eyes, Mama, day will soon begin. The child is telling his mother to open her eyes. He is telling his mother to wake up as the day is going to start. Open your eyes, Mama, I want to look in. He is telling his mother to open her eyes as he wants to see her eyes. He wants to look into her eyes. Yesterday, dear Mama, out of your eyes peeped two little boys just my size. Peeped means took a quick look. Now, yesterday, dear Mama. Yesterday means day before today. A day before today is yesterday. So, yesterday, dear Mama, out of your eyes peeped two little boys just my size. Yesterday, in the eyes of his mother, the little child took a quick look. He saw his own image in his mother's eyes. Now, today again he wants to see into her mother's eyes. Where are they now? Who can they be? Do you love those boys as you love me? Now he is asking his mother to open her eyes. He wants to again look into her eyes. He wants to see if those boys are there till now. Who were they? Who were those boys who were in his mother's eyes? Now he is again asking that if his mother loved them also as she used to love him. So, after reading the poem, we come to know that the little child is very eager to know. After seeing his own image, he thought that those boys were someone else. So he wants to ask who were they and where are they now? Now some difficult words I have given. First one is M-A-M-M-A, Mama. Second is Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y, yesterday. Third is B-E-G-I-N, begin. Fourth is P-E-E-P-E-D, peeped. Now your word meaning. First one is Mama. Mama means mother. Second one is yesterday. Yesterday means day before today. Third is peeped. Peeped means took a quick look. Now some homework I have given. First one is read and learn the poem. You have to learn the poem by heart. Second one, learn difficult words with spelling. Whatever difficult words I have given you, you have to learn it with spelling. And last, write some lines about your mother, what all she do for you. Whatever your mother do for you the whole day, you have to write it in your copy. Thank you.